What's up, scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors? Welcome to CC Scraps Restoration Channel. Let's check it out. Monday morning, I'm hanging out in my tech bay before work. You know, get my computer booted up or whatever, and my coworker Gary comes up. Says, "Hey, Gene's got a present for you." And if you're familiar with my channel, you know who Gene and Gary are. Gary's a coworker, work with him. Gene's Gary's friend, so we're all kind of. So anyway, he gives me this old C-clamp, model number 403, made by, ready? What's that say? Can I get it to focus? Y'all see that? It says Wenton. Or does it say Wilton? I can't see. Then he gave me this big old nail gun. I think it may be, I don't know if it's Milwaukee. I'm just going on the colors. I did test it at work. I hooked some air up to it, and it does fire nails, and it recharges quick. So stay tuned for future videos. We're just going to clean this up and probably repaint it, clean the plastic up, you know, oil everything down, and leave it at that. Maybe open it up and clean it out a little bit. But I don't know much about air tools, so I don't know if I want to open it up and do something stupid to it. So we'll see how that one goes. And then an old airline that they're giving away. Then over here, I picked up, this is just your, this is just for welding wire. Like the wire comes around that and then it hooks into your machine. This is like a 33-pound reel. And it just, you know, feeds wire into your MIG gun or into your wire feeder or whatever. But these, you know, you can hang on your wall, which I'm probably going to do. And then down here, this way we got some stragglers, some extension cord here. And here you can use those to reel up your cords, your airlines, whatever. And I have access to abundance of these things. They're pretty much everywhere. But yeah, so that's going to work out. We're going to get that done. And we'll get this video up. Y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. CC Scraps and Restorations. Later.